welcome to this special edition of Rajya Sabha Television on World's First Toilet College. That's right, Toilet College. In a country where people have more access to cell phones than toilets, this college hopes to spark off a sanitation revolution. Last few years particularly have thrown the spotlight on sanitation facilities in India, which has been one of the most pressing issues that the nation has ever faced, but did not receive the attention it deserved. The World Toilet College strives to create awareness among people in line with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
पहले हमें हाथ गीले करने चाहिए और साबुन लगा के साबुन को उसी जगह अच्छे से रख देना चाहिए और फिर हाथों को रगड़ना चाहिए। फिर हाथों के पीछे और उंगलियों के बीच में दोनों हाथों में साफ से करना चाहिए, रगड़ना चाहिए और फिर अंगूठों की सफाई करनी चाहिए और फिर नाखूनों की सफाई करनी चाहिए और फिर हथेलियों के निचले हिस्से को साफ से रगड़ना चाहिए और कलाइयों की साफ से सफाई करनी चाहिए और अच्छे से हाथ धो के अच्छे और साफ कपड़े में पोंछ लेना चाहिए।
Meet the youngest student of World Toilet College and a Swachh warrior, 7-year-old Reshma in Veerpur block of Rishikesh in the state of Uttarakhand. But 2 years ago, life was all about running from one hospital to the other for Reshma. At just 5, when all her friends were going to school and playing outside their houses, Reshma was confined to her home, battling diarrhea. Most of the days, she would complain of stomachache, vomiting and loose motions. Mostly, she attended school for 10 days a month. While Reshma was grappling with her poor health condition, her school adopted a hygiene program with the help of World Toilet College, through which it started providing safe drinking water, improved sanitation facilities, and basic hygiene education to the students. In one of her regular visits to the school, Reshma got to know about basic hygiene rules and soon started following them sincerely. After sustaining these practices, Reshma's efforts started showing a positive effect on her health.
मैंने स्कूल में सीखा है कि खुले में शौच नहीं करना चाहिए, घर में टॉयलेट उसमें करना चाहिए और मैंने ये सीखा है कि जिस परिवार में टॉयलेट है वह परिवार स्वस्थ और सुखी है, जिस परिवार में शौचालय नहीं है वह अभी भी अधूरा है। मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि हर परिवार अपने घर में शौचालय बनवा ले।
Reshma's father, Sarfaraz, a motor mechanic, is overjoyed at his daughter's recently acquired wisdom.
मेरी बच्ची को इतना सिखाया उन्होंने, जो कि घर में बदलाव किया है उसने, और पानी को बचाने के लिए भी और स्वच्छता अभियान के लिए भी बहुत ही बदलाव कर दिया है। और हमारे परिवार में बच्चे हैं वो भी बदल चुके हैं, काफ़ी बदलाव है और जो कि पानी बचा भी रहे हैं। जो एक बाल्टी से नहाते थे वो अब थोड़ा बहुत कम किए हैं, धीरे धीरे और बचा रहे हैं और स्वच्छता के लिए जो हैं उन्होंने बहुत ही अपना योगदान दिया है और हम बहुत ही खुश हैं इस बच्ची से, जो कि यहाँ से सीख करके जा करके हमारे घर में बच्चों की बदलाव कर रही है, अब अपने से बड़ों को भी बदल रही है।
Our country is developing at a very fast pace, but the sanitation habits of our people, especially in the rural areas, is still a matter of concern, and especially children bear the brunt by contracting various diseases. So the target of the World Toilet College is to inculcate sanitation habits among children. याद रहे, खाने से पहले और शौच के बाद साबुन का करें इस्तेमाल, साफ हाथों का दिखाएं कमाल. This is the song the school children of Rishikesh's Bal Vidyalay recite on a regular basis. Clutching their bars, they march to a corner of the school. Then, one by one, the children carefully wash their hands. Until appointed a Swachh warrior, Neetu would happily plunge her hands into a plate full of snacks without washing. But now she understands the importance of washing hands with soap. She is not only avoiding diseases, but is also encouraging her family and friends to do the same.
बहुत बदलाव आया हमें इनसे, बहुत हमने बच्चे ने हमें बहुत सिखाया। मम्मी साफ़ सफाई रखो, अपने घर भी अगल बगल भी जो कुछ भी अपने साफ़ सफाई रखना चाहिए।
Children are leading the way to undo the damage done by the previous generations. Whether it is clean air or water, children today have inherited a planet that is choking, contaminated, and on the verge of a catastrophe. There is hope as children turn agents of change, from toilets to cleanliness drives and innovations that can reduce the waste burden from the planet. These path-breaking initiatives are taken by world's first toilet college, an institution that took Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call for Swachh Bharat to heart. The developers of this college are World Toilet Organization, a global non-profit organization committed to improving toilet and sanitation conditions worldwide. Parmarth Niketan and makers of Dettol and Harpic, RB South Asia. The college began its journey in 2016 and is the first in the world to provide the targeted skills and knowledge to ensure that the laudable goals of clean and healthy water, sanitation and hygiene for all can be realized, and has trained more than 25,000 people till date.
I was going to the Gangotri, and on the way I saw, especially the ladies, they were just standing up. I asked my driver, what is happening? When there is a light, they were standing up. And I said, why this is happening? They said they don't have toilets. They are going for nature calls. I said, toilets? They have to wait for the dark? The woman who has given the light to the world, life to the world, she has to wait for the darkness. That day, we planned, done.
Government's Clean India mission has prodded many professionals to quit their cushy jobs and join the cleanliness revolution. "26-year-old Vishal worked as a business development manager and made lucrative gains. But after being inspired by the Swachh Bharat initiative, he decided to contribute to the campaign and started working with the World Toilet College as a volunteer. He is actively now engaged in open defecation-free projects and teaching the importance of sanitation to young students.
बच्चे बहुत जल्दी ग्रैब करते हैं और हमारा जो करिकुलम इस तरीके का बना है कि लर्न विथ फन, तो बच्चे खेल खेल में उसे सीखते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ थ्योरी पढ़ाते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें उनके साथ काफ़ी कराते हैं, तो उनको इन्वॉल्व रखते हैं उस चीज़ में, तो प्रैक्टिकल देख के जल्दी ग्रैब करते हैं और बहुत जल्दी उनके मतलब पेरेंट्स भी काफ़ी उनसे इंस्पायर होके उन्होंने भी सैनिटेशन प्रैक्टिस अपने मतलब काफ़ी बेहतर हुई है पेरेंट्स की भी।
Toilet is being constructed in India every 30 seconds. But it is important to construct proper toilets. And the World Toilet College has vowed to teach people to construct proper toilets. And what is emerging is a community of dexterous sanitation entrepreneurs. Take a look. We had to ford Ravasant River 30 kilometers from Haridwar, walk almost 1 kilometer to meet the first student of World Toilet College, Shanta Devi. Shanta today is equipped with the professional skills on toilet construction, maintenance, cleanliness and repair. After Shanta lost her husband to chronic diarrhea, constructing toilets became the mission of her life. Shanta now educates people in surrounding villages in Haridwar district to ensure that they have access to toilets and clean water and is a proud sanitation entrepreneur. Her inspiration has prodded many young girls and women to construct toilets.
पहले हम 2 सोख्ते बनाते हैं। पहले सोख्ते बनाते हैं हम ये, जिसमें कि उसमें पानी जाता है उसका शौचालय का। तो पहले एक बनाएंगे, उसमें दूसरा बना के जैसे एक भर गया तो दूसरा डालेंगे उसमें। उसके बाद में फिर सीट बैठाना सब करना मिस्त्री द्वारा हमें सब सिखाया गया। और इसमें हम महिलाएं ज़्यादा काम करती हैं। इनमें लाल ढांग में बनाए, बीरपुर खुर्द में बनाए, राम झूला में बनाए, अब यहाँ बनाए। इसमें हम ज़्यादातर महिलाएं ही रहती हैं।
This group of women has vowed to collect sufficient funds to build healthy and hygienic infrastructure like toilets to revolutionize the physical setup of the villages so that everyone could have access to safe and clean drinking water as well as toilet facilities. Sanitation Initiative has not only acted as a springboard for the employment facilities but has also ensured 360-degree improvement in hygiene conditions. Time for a short break. Lots more on the other side. The biggest challenge for the World Toilet College was to fight the mindset. Many rural households can afford toilets, but they don't want one inside their homes as they feel toilet will make their abode impure. At the outskirts of Rishikesh Haridwar Rajaji belt, single mother Sona lives with her 2 daughters. Last year, Sona's sister was trampled to death by a wild elephant. The elephant suddenly appeared from nowhere and attacked her when she came out of the house to answer nature's call. Sona then attended classes of World Toilet College that discussed open defecation and the issues of health and dignity in rural India, and she was convinced that if she could build a toilet, life would get better. In villages, the task of building toilets is a complex one, but it is beautiful to see women taking up the cause and fighting for it, becoming whistleblowers and relentlessly pushing for what they feel is their right to dignity.
बहुत परेशानी थी। अब बच्चे भी अब आराम से चले जाते हैं, हम भी वहाँ जानवर आ जाए कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था। अब इतनी दूर जाना आना रोज़ की परेशानी में तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ ये बन गई, बहुत दिक्कत हट गई, नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी थी। रात बिरात हो या दिन हो अपना आराम से जा रहे आ रहे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। कोई भी चला जाए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अच्छी तरह है, नहीं है कि सहूलियत है बहुत।
However, the biggest challenge is to confront the cultural reasons that encourage defecation in open, far from home, to avoid ritual impurity. Satish and his wife Preetu were biggest opponents of toilet facilities inside their home. They relieved themselves in the open and littered unabashedly, but kept their home spotlessly clean, unless they were made aware of the catastrophic impact of open defecation.
बहुत बढ़िया हुआ, अच्छा लगा। जंगल से तो बचे हैं आदमी जाने से, ठीक है नहीं, तो परिवार पूर्व भी सब जाता था जंगल में, तो बाथरूम घर में बन गया है तो बंद हो गया है और साफ सुथरा सब सही हो गया।
The aim of the World Toilet College is to develop a holistic approach towards water conservation, health, hygiene and sanitation. Water is an invaluable commodity, and ways to reuse wastewater is integral for sustainable development. And the World Toilet College is doing just that. Water for Beena Devi's 100-odd plants comes from wastewater from her kitchen. Grey water recycling has helped her reduce household water usage by about 50%. Beena, a World Toilet College student, makes a strong pitch for conserving each drop of water. She asserts that many people are not aware of recycling of reused water, and there is an urgent need to create awareness.
ये किचन का पानी है, बर्तन धुला हुआ, और पहला पानी तो मतलब हम वेस्ट कर देते हैं ऐसे ही, और ये दूसरा तीसरा पानी है इसमें, और इसको मैं पौधों में ले जाऊंगी, वहाँ पे डालूंगी तो ये वेस्ट नहीं होगा, और ये हमारे पौधे भी सुरक्षित रहेंगे और पानी की बचत भी होती है इससे। इस्तेमाल करते हैं इसको पौधों में डालने के लिए तो।
There are two colors of dirty water, grey and black. Grey water is wastage from bathroom, washing clothes and kitchen. The black water is toilet waste and requires biological or chemical treatment and disinfectants before reuse. Washing clothes, utensils, washing dishes, bathing, tasks like these contribute to 60% of the wastewater generated from households each day.
Water, sanitation, hygiene is wash, and wash is life. The most essential building block of life that we send rockets into outer space to look for is water. There's nothing more important in this world. Without it, how can anything or anyone live? Everything is gone.
The World Toilet College is also trying to ensure that the fecal-oral transmission is stopped at as many barriers as possible, preventing the spread of disease and thereby ensuring better health outcomes. And what could be a better way to treat dirty water of sewage flowing into River Ganga? With the help of many social activists, the college is setting up sewage treatment facilities at various points to check the discharge of dirty, untreated water into the river.
महिलाओं को एक साथ लाके उनको इम्पोर्टेंस बताएंगे स्वच्छता की और क्लिनलीनेस, हाइजीन, सैनिटेशन की, क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है कि हम तो कुछ दिनों में करके यहाँ से चले जाएंगे, लेकिन जो लोग यहाँ रहते हैं, जब तक हम उनमें ये चेंज नहीं लाएंगे, उनको समझ में नहीं आएगी कि उनको क्यों ये जगह अपने जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं उसको साफ़ सुथरा रखना ज़रूरी है, क्यों हमें बाहर ओपन में शौच करना ख़राब बात है। ये उनको समझाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो ही हम उसको बोलते हैं एक चेंज लाना।
Since the launch of Swachh Bharat initiative, as many as 49.62 million more households in India have toilets, rising from 38.7% in 2014 to 69.4% in 2017. And more than 2,50,000 of India's 6,49,481 villages have been declared free of open defecation.
Dignity of women. क्या ये हम सबका दायित्व नहीं है? बेचारी गांव की मां बहनें अंधेरे का इंतजार करती हैं, जब तक अंधेरा नहीं जाता है वो शौच के लिए नहीं जा पाती है। उसके शरीर को कितनी पीड़ा होगी, कितनी बीमारियों की जड़ें उसमें से शुरू होती होगी। क्या हमारी मां बहनों की इज्जत के लिए हम कम से कम शौचालय का प्रबंध नहीं कर सकते हैं?
The Narendra Modi government's Clean India Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, addressing the open defecation issue, has bred fascinating socio-cultural waves across the nation in many interesting ways, from Bollywood movies to world's first toilet college. Availability of adequate sanitation facilities and their usage by everyone can save lives, ensure nutrition, productivity, and most importantly, women's security and dignity. there was a report that if in India, all the people who do not have access to toilets are made to stand in a queue, then that queue could stretch from Earth to Moon and beyond. But there has been a massive and remarkable transformation now. And institutions like the World Toilet College can go a long way in changing the sanitation behavior of our people. Well, that's all we have for you in this edition. From the entire team of RSTV from Rishikesh, thanks for watching.